A smile is pretty much everything. It's the first thing that people probably notice about you. You don't want to smile, then people think that you're mad. People think that you're sad. And it's not the case. It's just you just don't want to show off. It's all messed up in there. So having a smile back makes it easier to engage with people and not have to try to show that I'm happy in another way. I can actually smile at them when I first meet people or when I'm talking to people, and they see that. It was just more of a shame thing, not necessarily like a fear. It was just I was just scared, being reprimanded for having those issues and not taking care of my teeth like I should have. 2 of my crowns broke off, and all my crowns were in the front. So now I'm out here, I'm able to, drink without opening my mouth all the way, because I got a big old gap in the front. And that's when I was like, all right, this has to happen. It has to happen now. Oh, they were super friendly. Even though half my face was swollen from the abscess, they didn't treat me any different than I think they would have anybody coming in for a cleaning or anything. They just literally had me have a seat, and then they got me back there, and they took some of the best care of me that I could think of ever at a dentist. He wasn't pushy. He's like, hey, you've got all these options here. You just tell me which one you want to do. This is what I recommend, but obviously it's up to you. That's the reason why, I felt confident with him, because he wasn't trying to push anything on me. He let me make that decision. Oh, it was night and day. I was just like, I can't believe this is my mouth. You look at it side by side before the procedure and then after the procedure, it was like there was swelling gone out of my face. I wasn't like puffy faced anymore from, I guess, all the issues that I had going on. Once all that cleared out, I looked like a whole new person. I've had numerous people since I've had this done tell me how nice my teeth look, and I'm just like, oh, thank you. I do have that confidence to smile in public now. There's no pain there anymore. I'll order whatever I want off the menu, and I eat normal. It gives you the ability to go out and be yourself. You don't feel like you have to hide anything about yourself. You can laugh out loud again, and not worry about people seeing your mouth and being like, man, that looks rough. It's wonderful to be able to go out into the world and be the old me before all the stuff happened.